Planning a move in Erie, Pennsylvania, and wondering how much movers will cost? The honest answer is that moving prices can vary a lot, depending on where you're moving, how much you're bringing, and what kind of help you need. A small local move across Erie may cost much less than a long-distance relocation with packing, storage, and special handling. In this video, we'll break down what affects Erie moving costs and how to get a more accurate quote before moving day. According to 3 movers, mover costs in Erie can vary widely, with average full-service moving costs ranging from about $5,400 to $8,125, depending on distance, services, and the complexity of the move. Their guide also notes that a local move within Erie may cost around $300 to $1,000, while long-distance moves can range from $1,500 to $5,000 or more, depending on the size and route. So, before you compare quotes, it helps to understand what movers are actually pricing. The first big factor is distance. A local move within Erie is usually more affordable because it requires less fuel, less drive time, and fewer travel-related expenses. A long-distance move costs more because the moving company has to factor in mileage, fuel, driver time, route planning, and sometimes overnight travel. The farther your belongings need to go, the more planning and resources the move usually requires. Next is the size of your move. A studio apartment with boxes and basic furniture is very different from a full house with appliances, garage items, patio furniture, and heavy pieces. More belongings usually mean more loading time, more truck space, and possibly a larger moving crew. Heavy or oversized items like pianos, antiques, safes, or bulky furniture may also require special equipment or extra handling. Your moving date can also affect pricing. Summer, weekends, holidays, and end-of-month dates are often busier for moving companies. If your schedule is flexible, asking about weekday or off-season availability may help you find better options. Even a small timing adjustment can make planning easier. When comparing Erie movers, don't look at price alone. Check reviews, service options, insurance coverage, reputation, and whether the quote is clearly explained. 3 Movers recommends comparing services, customer reviews, pricing transparency, and coverage options before choosing a moving company. A reliable mover should be clear about costs, timing, services, and what happens if your move needs extra support. The best way to estimate your Erie moving cost is to request a quote based on your inventory, destination, moving date, and service needs. If you're planning a move in Erie, visit 3 Movers to compare options and request a moving estimate.